Traveling can be a thrilling adventure, but maintaining your health during these excursions is crucial. Welcome to our guide on how to stay healthy while traveling. We will reveal tips and tricks that will keep your mind and body in top shape wherever your journey takes you. Firstly, plan ahead. Make a list of all the essentials you need, from medications to your favorite healthy snacks. Don't rely on finding these items at your destination. Be prepared to support your health and well-being throughout your trip. Traveling is fun and exciting, but it can also be taxing on your health. Let's dig into how you can maintain your well-being while on the move. Keeping hydrated is key. Always carry a reusable water bottle and refill it regularly. Dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and even confusion. Eating healthily is crucial. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Avoid fried foods or those high in sugar. Snacking on nuts and seeds can help keep your energy levels up. Exercise wherever possible. Walk around the airport during layovers, or take the stairs instead of elevators. This helps maintain your metabolism and keeps your heart healthy. Getting enough sleep can be challenging while traveling. Try to stick to regular sleep patterns and create a calming pre-bedtime routine. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. They can dehydrate you and disrupt your sleep patterns. Opt for herbal teas or fresh juices instead. Washing your hands frequently is essential. It's one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs and diseases. Carry a first aid kit. Include band-aids, painkillers, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medication. This ensures you're prepared for any minor health issues. Use sunscreen and wear protective clothing. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is important, especially in hot climates. Stay current with vaccinations. Ensure you're up to date with routine vaccines and any specific ones required for your travel destination. Stretch regularly. Long flights or car rides can cause muscle stiffness. Stretching helps to keep your circulation flowing and prevents cramps. Monitor your mental health. Traveling can be stressful. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can help you stay centered and calm. Stay active. If your hotel has a gym or a pool, take advantage of them. Even a quick workout can make a big difference. Listen to your body. If you're feeling tired, take a rest. Pushing yourself can lead to exhaustion and illness. Pack healthy snacks. You never know when you might get hungry and healthy options might not be available. Avoid touching your face. This can prevent the spread of germs and viruses, reducing your risk of falling ill. Stay away from polluted areas. Poor air quality can have a serious impact on your health. Drink herbal teas. They can boost your immune system, hydrate you, and help you relax. Invest in a good pair of shoes. Comfortable footwear can prevent foot pain and injuries. Practice safe sex. Always use protection to prevent STIs and unwanted pregnancies. Take breaks. Extended periods of travel can be exhausting. Regular breaks can help rejuvenate you mentally and physically. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive mindset can help you cope with challenges and enjoy your travels more. Use insect repellent. Protecting yourself from bites can prevent diseases like malaria or dengue fever. Do not overeat. Stick to portion control, even when the food is delicious. Stay in touch with loved ones. It can help reduce feelings of loneliness or homesickness. Take time for yourself. Traveling can be hectic, so ensure you have downtime to relax and reflect. And there you have it. Stay healthy and safe, and make the most of your travels.